It is Sunday, September 17th, 2023, and a mysterious package just arrived here at the 10A Headquarters International LLC.
We're not an
INC.
CCC.
CCC. We got a package. I'm curious what it is. Let's find out. For those of you who don't know, this is called a packaging list.
Packing slip.
Packaging list enclosed. Who cares?
Away from your mate. Oh boy.
I don't know what it is. Paper.
More paper. It's like Christmas.
More paper. Are you guys as excited as I am?
She's doing it. Hold on.
Oh boy.
Hold on. There it is. Tell them what it is, Lee.
This is our BKR9000 multi-band portable demo. And we got...
What did we get?
2 of them.
We weren't expecting to.
We weren't expecting to. I was told we were getting 1.
BK came in.
Yeah.
And then we got 2.
All right. So I'm gonna come around and we're
Thank you,
gonna zoom
BK.
in as we open the box. Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Jessica's not a photographer here. Okay, I'm in.
The cameraman's not supposed to talk. I'm
But
just
people
kidding.
love
I'm just
me.
kidding. Whoa!
We have the yellow.
Green, yellow.
Green, yellow.
Whatever.
It's electric.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
It's glorious, Clark.
Look at it.
Look at it.
She's a Butte Clark. Well, I'm gonna let Jessica.
Yeah, I do that. That's my job.
That's her thing. She likes to peel the plastic
Yeah.
off.
For those of you who've had upfitted vehicles, I have pulled the plastic off your vehicles. That was my contribution.
Should we open the second radio or
Yes.
accessories?
Second radio.
Okay. Second radio.
So these come in 2 colors, right, Lee?
Yep.
That's a carrying case, right?
Yep. So every radio comes standard with the molded belt clip and carrier.
Okay. You show the black.
Yep. I got 3.5s.
And what does 3.5 mean for those who aren't aware yet?
Correct. So they come in multiple models. A 1.0 has just 16 channel selector, no displays whatsoever. The 1.5 will just be the top display. A 2.5 will be a limited keypad with the rear display, and then a 3.5 is a full keypad. So if you want to do field programming, you have to have the full keypad.
And don't we have it on our wall? That actually has all the models.
Yep, it has all the models.
Let me zoom in
right
on
there.
that. Here. So that's the tiers. And this comes with a 5-year warranty.
5-year warranty standard on the box.
Yeah.
So let's
unbox what's next.
this is going to be the 303-2 2-bay charger. We got our wall plug. And then our dual charger. So these are these will charge both the BKR5000 and 9000. They will come both with 2 adapters that you pull out.
A little bit there.
So the adapters are for charging the battery separately, and then if you want to charge the radio, you got to pull the adapter out.
And those are our dogs. 10-8 dogs.
We'll do our battery.
Okay.
So this is the standard battery. This is the only battery we have currently, and this is a 4900 milliamp battery. So in other radio brands, the 4900 milliamp would be like a battery like that big, and we were able to put it into that size.
Turn that around. I want to note that sticker. What does that say right there? Made in USA.
America.
So for those of you who don't know, BK is made in America.
So I'll show you if you wanted to charge it separately with the cradle. That would go in and charge it. And then attach it to the radio. You would remove that, and then the radio would drop in.
Pretty easy peasy.
Alright, we'll do the next battery for the other radio.
It's like Christmas.
It is. It's Christmas in September. We'll do our speaker mic.
Okay.
So this unit has the emergency button on top, and then up-down button, which is programmable in the radio res software. So it can be volume up or down, or channel up and down, and a couple other options too. Let's see here. To our antenna. So this is going to be the BKR 0893-148-E, which is the all-band antenna. These are a little bit longer. They do have a smaller one.
Want to turn it around?
Are we ready for our first boot up?
Oh
So
boy.
the first turn on. Do the other one.
And then once we have it programmed, we will do a whole video. Leo will
Yep.
do a whole video about it. And then on top. Yep. There we go. We definitely need to charge them
Yep.
and program them. So for any department or organization that's interested in testing these out, what do they need to do?
Reach out to us and contact us. We
have a-
will offer demos. These are going to a few clients that are already on the list for demo purposes. But if you are a system administrator or have access to that, we can set you up with a demo.
And you want to email sales
Sales@108technologyinc.com.
for that. So we will definitely be doing a video,
Yep.
more in depth video once it's programmed. But we have them, and we're ready to quote you on them. Great price points, right, Lee?
Yep.
Unbelievable
Very
price point.
competitive.
Very competitive, and made in the U.S., in Florida. Rough estimate of lead time, Lee? Because that's a question we've been getting asked.
I'm being told current lead time is about 120 days.
Okay. All right. Well, if you're interested, reach out to us. We would be happy to get you on the list to test out this demo.
Yep.
All right.
Signing off. I gotta go play with some radios.